Figma costs $15 per seat per month. A designer costs $80 an hour. Canva costs another $15, and you still need hours to build anything. Claude Design is included in your existing Claude Pro plan. You go to claude.ai/design, describe what you want, and Claude builds it. Anthropic just shipped a design tool, and it's kind of a big deal. Claude Design is a new product from Anthropic Labs, available at claude.ai/design. You describe what you need: a prototype, a slide deck, a landing page, a one-pager, and Claude builds a first version. Then you refine it by talking. No design skills required. No drag and drop. No templates to fight with. It's powered by Claude Opus 4.7 and available on Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise plans. No extra cost. 4 things Claude Design makes. 1. Interactive prototypes, clickable app flows you can share and user test, no code required. 2. Presentation decks, from a rough outline to a complete on-brand deck in minutes, exportable as a PPTX. 3. One-pagers and landing pages, sales pages, product briefs, launch pages built from a single description. 4. Code-powered prototypes, voice, video, 3D shaders, built-in AI. If it runs in a browser, Claude can build it. The workflow is 3 steps. Step 1, describe. You type what you need or upload a document, docx, PPTX, or XLSX, or point Claude at your website URL or link your codebase. Step 2, iterate. You comment inline on specific elements. Edit text directly. Use adjustment knobs Claude creates to change spacing, color, and layout live. Step 3, export. Download as PDF or PPTX. Share a live URL. Send to Canva. Or pass the design directly to Claude Code for implementation. What you can start from. A text prompt, just describe what you want and Claude figures out the layout, hierarchy, and design. A document, docx, PPTX, or XLSX, and Claude reads your content and builds a designed output from it. The web capture tool, point Claude at your website, and it grabs your colors, fonts, and UI patterns so prototypes look like your actual product. Or your code base. Claude reads your existing components and builds new designs that match your code. Here's the feature most people will miss. When you first set up Claude Design, it reads your codebase and your design files and builds a design system for your team. Your exact colors, your typography scale, your component patterns, your spacing rules, and then every project you build after that automatically uses that system. No templates, no reapplying your brand, no telling Claude your colors every time. It just looks like you. From the first output. Use case 1, founders and executives. You have a rough set of bullet points you need to turn into a board deck. Old process. Hand it to a designer, wait a day, review, revise, wait again. With Claude Design, describe the deck, Claude builds it in about 3 minutes. You refine it by saying things like make slide 3 punchier or move the data to the right, and then you export as PPTX or send it straight to Canva. What used to take a designer 4 hours now takes you 10 minutes. And it's on brand, every time. Use case 2, product managers. You want to prototype a new feature before writing a single line of code. You describe the flow to Claude Design, for example, build a user onboarding flow for a SAS dashboard, 4 steps, progress bar, skip option. Claude builds an interactive prototype that matches your design system. You share the link for feedback, no Figma seat required. Then when it's approved, you pass the prototype directly to Claude Code for implementation. Design to code in one workflow. No other tool does that. Use case 3, designers. The old process for turning a static mockup into an interactive prototype meant handing it to a developer, waiting for a code review, waiting for a PR to merge, and then user testing on staging, a process that could take days or weeks. With Claude Design, you upload your mockup, Claude makes it interactive, you share the link immediately for feedback, iterate by conversation, and pass to Claude Code when it's ready. Same day. No PR. No waiting. The honest comparison. Claude Design beats Figma and Canva on one specific thing, going from nothing to a designed first draft in minutes using only words. No other tool does that, but it doesn't beat Figma on pixel-perfect control. It doesn't do vector illustration. And at launch, it's a single user experience, no shared files or review workflows yet. Canva still wins for marketing output and print. Figma still wins for production design systems with large teams. Claude Design wins when the goal is speed and the starting point is a prompt. Here's why this matters beyond the features. No other design tool connects directly to a code implementation tool. Figma hands off to developers and stops. Claude Design hands off to Claude Code, which builds the actual thing. Idea to prototype to working code, in one conversation, without switching tools, without a developer, without waiting. That's not a design tool. That's a product development workflow. And for non-developers especially, it removes the single biggest blocker between having an idea and having something real. Claude Design is available right now at claude.ai/design. If you're on Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise, you already have access. Here's where to start in the next 10 minutes. Go to claude.ai/design, describe a slide deck you need. Let Claude build the first version. Refine it by talking, change the layout, the tone, the structure. Export it as PPTX or share the link. That's it. New Claude lesson every week. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one.